It's time for another King of the Hill. And here's the current champion Monster Mutt, who seems to be unbeatable. He's still under the protection of Darth Vader. We have 16 monster trucks, all ready to take a crack at the king. I'm just gonna grab a couple goodies. I definitely cannot forget this, or this. And no monster truck race is complete without an AT-AT. This music's kind of creeping me out. Let's change the channel. Well, that was quite magical. I just brought these outside. We'll set them here. Let's open these up. Green light collection. A couple mini monster trucks. Ah, sweet. Check out the new El Super Fasto. Hey, there's that mystery machine. Check that out. Pretty awesome stuff. Hey, that's pretty sweet. Not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. Oh, here's a poster.
I have multiple.
Oh, cool. Check that out. Monster Mutt. That is awesome. Is there any wrist bracelets? Oh, yes. You got a squishy car. Sweet. I'm not a big fan of these new ones. You can stack them, but they're not as cool. Awesome. This one came with a race barrel. Hey, I've always liked storm damage. Oh, and of course the cat has to show her face. Yes. A bracelet. There we go. Yeah. This Joker is pretty awesome. All right, who put this truck in here? All right, here are the 16 monster trucks that are going to be in this King of the Hill. Let's go over the track really quick. I took a couple old tires. I got this super awesome 4-lane monster truck track. They have a free run over the swimming pool, then down the hill, and the first truck to get closest to the finish bag. Quite a few fans at this King of the Hill. All right, who are you going to pick first? All right, we have Freebird taking on Superman. All right, they're up, they're ready. Who are you going to pick?
Freebird.
All right, I'm going to take Superman. On your mark, get set, go. Right off the bat, Freebird. Oh, he's off the track. Superman takes the first win. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Superman's a little behind. He takes the lead and he stays on the track. All right, he's moving on to the second round. And the winners will go over here, and Superman is moving on. All right, here we go. Who are you going to pick?
The Carbonator.
Oh, yeah. She takes the Carbonator against the Joker. All right, here we go. The Carbonator's locked and loaded. The Joker, who are you picking? Just to make Batman mad, I'm going to take the Joker. Oh, really? On your mark, get set, go. Carbonator's looking good. Here we go. Carbonator with the win, and we're going to just move them on to the second round. Carbonator is moving on, and the Joker's out. All right, next two. Who are you going to pick? Oh, she picks Dragonoid. Sweet. Against? Uh-oh, Lumberjack. You know he's going to be fast. He's got all that wood back there. All right, she's getting them up there. We got Lumberjack and Dragonoid. Who are you picking? Lumberjack. I'm going to go with you. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, looks like Lumberjack is dominating. He drives off the track, and Dragonoid wins the first one. Let's switch them up. All right, they're up, and they are ready. Dragonoid up 1-0. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Wow, Lumberjack with the win. Let's switch them up one more time. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Oh, Lumberjack is so quick, and he is going to move on. Very convincing win. Sweet. And moving on to the second round is Lumberjack.
Loser.
Yeah. Who are we going to pick next? Here we go. All right. Gravedigger against that's right, one of my favorite trucks, El Super Fasto. All right, she's getting those loaded. Who are you going to pick? El Super Fasto. I'm going to pick Grave. No, I got to pick El Super Fasto. Here we go. All right, on your mark, get set, go. El Super Fasto all the way down, and he is moving on to the next round. Gravedigger's hanging out down there by his buddy. And the third truck to move on is El Super Fasto. All right, who are you going to pick next?
Triceratops.
Ooh, she picked Triceratops. Awesome truck. Against who?
Unimog.
Unimog. All right. All right, they're up. They're ready. Who are you going to pick?
Triceratops.
Triceratops. I think so, too. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, Unimog. It was a close race. Wow, Triceratops, impressive. Let's switch them up. All right, they're switching lanes. Triceratops, very impressive win. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Oh, good right there. Oh, another very impressive win by Triceratops. And on to the third round is Triceratops. Looking good, looking good. And then we're down to 6. Who are you going to pick? Oh, she picked this awesome Gravedigger. Very popular pick. Taking on Storm Damage. That's what I'm talking about. All right, very fluorescent Gravedigger taking on Storm Damage. Who are you going to pick?
Gravedigger.
Yeah, I am too. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, neck and neck. Gravedigger pulls away. Impressive win. Let's just move them on. And moving on to the second round is Gravedigger. And then we're down to 4. Who are you going to pick?
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear taking on the Mystery Machine. Who are you going to pick?
Buzz Lightyear.
I'm going to pick the Mystery Machine because he's better. On your mark, get set, go. Good racing all the way down to the finish line is the Mystery Machine. Buzz Lightyear is exploding. And moving on to the second round is a nice heavy Mystery Machine. And the final 2 of the first round is Dairy Delivery taking on the Jada Just truck. All right, she's got him in there, the Jada Just truck. Dairy Delivery, notoriously fast. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. My goodness, Dairy Delivery, but hey, Jada Man was keeping up. Let's switch them up. All right, they're switched, they're ready. All right, on your mark, get set, go. All right, Dairy Delivery with a convincing win right there. And there you have it. These are the trucks moving on to the second round. We have 8 Macho trucks left. Who are you going to pick?
The Carbonator.
The Carbonator.
Mystery
The Mystery Machine. All right. She's got them locked and loaded. Who are you going to pick?
Carbonator.
I agree. Here we go. All right. On your mark. Get set. Go. All tight race so far. And the Mystery Machine is off in the pool. And the Carbonator's moving on. First truck to move on to the third round is the Carbonator. We're down to 6. Who are you going to pick next? Superman, my favorite. Against?
Gravedigger.
Oh, the Gravedigger, very popular truck. He's watching and waiting. All right, she's got him locked and loaded. Who are you? She's got him up and ready. Who are you picking?
Gravedigger.
I'm going to pick Superman. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Good race so far. Oh, and Gravedigger pushes Superman off the track. Let's switch them up. That was a dirty move. Advantage Gravedigger. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Good race so far. And now Superman has pushed off Gravedigger. Let's switch them up again. Whoever wins this race is moving on. Here we go. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Looks like a good race so far. Wow. Wow, all the way down to the finish line. Awesome stuff. And the second truck to move on to the third round is Superman. All right. All right, we're down to 4. Who are you picking?
Dairy Delivery.
Yep, Dairy Delivery taking on Triceratops. Ought to be a good race. All right, she's getting Triceratops in there. Who are you picking?
Triceratops.
All right, I got to go with Dairy Delivery. Here we go. Right, get set, go. Good race. Wow, Dairy Delivery. Impressive win. He is moving on to the third round. And the final 2 trucks, we have El Superfasto taking on Lumberjack. All right, she's putting El Superfasto in. Who are you picking?
Superfasto.
On your mark, get set, go. Race so far and wow, El Superfasto with the win over Lumberjack. And let's switch. All right, they're switched, they're ready. Here we go. All right, on your mark, get set, go. And looking good. Oh, wow, and El Superfasto with a little trickery there. He's out. All right, and there you have it. There is the final 4. This will be an impressive third round. All right, you guys, who are you picking? Take Superman against
El Superfasto.
El Superfasto. All right, here we go. She got Superman rolling in. Who are you picking?
Superman.
Me too. Here we go. All right, here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Good race so far. And it looks like El Superfasto with the first win. Let's switch them up. All right, they're switched. Here we go. All right, on your mark, get set, go. And Superman with a convincing win. One more switch. On your mark, get set, go. And El Superfasto has beat my Superman. And into the finals is El Superfasto. Who is he going to take on? Dairy Delivery or Carbonator? All right, Carbonator's rolling in. All right, on your mark, get set, go. So far in the Carbonator with win. Let's switch them just to make sure. They're switched, they're ready. Carbonator with the advantage. On your mark, get set, go. Carbonator is moving on, and here you have it. El Superfasto is going to be taking on Carbonator to see who's going to take on the king. All right, here we are, championship race, El Superfasto and Carbonator. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Race Carbonator just dominating. Wow. Let's switch them up to make sure. They're switched, they're ready. Will Carbonator be facing the king? On your mark, get set, go. For the championship, Carbonator is moving on to the finals to face the king. And here we have it for the king of the hill. Is anybody going to be able to beat Monster Mutt? Here we go. And here's the drivers for Carbonator. Here are the current drivers for the king of the hill. The current king of the hill, Monster Mutt, taking on Carbonator. Who's going to take it? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Look at the king go. Oh, the king has won the first one. Let's switch them to find out. That was a pretty good race. All right, they're switched, they're ready. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Advantage Monster Mutt. And yes, the Carbonator beat him. Let's switch them up. And here we go. Carbonator with the advantage. Can the king take it back? Here we go. All right, this is exciting. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Look at this race so far. Yes. And the Carbonator has upset the king. Holy cow. And look at this. I cannot believe it. But the Carbonator is the new king of the hill. Easy, easy. I can't believe that he just beat the Monster Mutt with those tires. I'd like to thank everybody for picking a car and see you guys all at the next King of the Hill. I hear something over here in the corn. Not quite sure. Wow. Weird. Oh, scary stuff. Back to the corn.